G'day, this is Mike Olden of Lee Smith. You can reach me at 423-618-3323 or shoot me an email, molden@lee-smith.com. I'm in the crew cab of a Morgan ProScape landscape body with a 14-foot box. I wanted to go ahead and start this video by looking at the interior of the Isuzu cab. For those people who are looking at having super crews, there's nothing like having the ability to carry 4 people in the back in addition to 3 people in the front comfortably, including the driver who gets his own bucket seat. The Isuzu cab includes a tilt and telescopic steering column, controls to the rear windows, controls to the rear lock out of the windows, and the ability to lock all 4 doors right here at the driver's station. From the driver's seat, you have direct access to the radio, the air conditioning, your hazards. This right here is your cruise control on and off, which the selectors are on the left-hand stick of the steering column. You have an armrest for the driver, in addition to the control of the driver's side window and passenger side window. Those are some of the key features for operating a vehicle and cruise safely on the road, is the control of the environment. This again gives your crew chief the ability to manage the environment and the safety of the people he's responsible for during the business day. Let's take a look at what goes on outside the cab. This is the 14-foot Morgan ProScape body. The dimensions of the body are 91 inches tall, 96 inches wide by 14 feet long. This provides you 14 feet of flat loading space on the floor and the shortest overall profile for that loading distance. The back door itself is full of opportunity for advertising and is laid down out of the way to protect that signage. So, opening the rear door of the ProScape, first lever opens it up. It serves as a paddle latch along the side facing of the door. Pulling it down, and you see that it is cantilevered to the first position. Grabbing the secondary arm to pull it over. And rotating your hand to the other side to bring it safely to the ground. This provides you with a linear length of 10 feet with how the sections are provided. Ventilated ramp, anti-skid surface for grip, coming to a non-ventilated, which feeds to the back of the door, but still the same type of grip policy to make sure you maintain traction and control. Coming up to the tread plate, so lifting up, you see that this bridges the span between the ramp itself and the floor of the body. Making sure that you keep a good clean gutter will make sure that there's no water that gets into the back of the body. The interior of the body is plywood lined, allowing you to have plenty of surface with which to install trimmer racks, shovel racks that meet your particular operational need. Again, 14 feet of flat floor, 92 inches wide. It is the same storage of the floor that you would have on an 18-foot open landscape body. Those are normally 14 feet flat with a 4-foot dovetail ramp. Now, as you saw from the interior, the passenger side sports a swing side door. It's the same counterbar lever, releases on the spin, lift up, paddle style, camber locks, and a 2-position pull-out step. Pull the release lever, pulls out, folds down. You project it away from the side of the body, that way you're not climbing vertically, but climbing into. Grab handle at the lower position on the door, 1 step, 2 step, and we're in. You can see where this brings a high level of efficiency to your business day. Being able to access from the side for a momentary stop, or your major equipment flowing out the back and into the work environment. All right, let's go ahead and fold everything back into place. door there. Notice that it takes a little bit of play. And as you slam it into position, the bar lock keeps it in the right position, dropping in the safety pin. Bringing our paddle style cambers, locking it down. Now, when the door is open, I want you to notice that you do have two features of safety. This is the safety tie, which as the door is swung open, feeds into this to prevent any kind of wind from blowing the door shut and making it an unsafe environment. And this will be compressed up against the donut, which again prevents the warbling, or if there is a back wind, pushing this up and away to slam against the donut. Let's go ahead and fold this back up. One-man operation, lifting it up and over, and then just another lift to bring it back in the up position. And there you have it. Too hard. And then we'll bring the main part of the door open just by grabbing onto the, there it is. And we'll bring the main part of the door open by bringing our hand over to the grab handle and then raising up. Because of the springs that we have inside the body, lifting the door up and out of the way, it is truly a one-man operation. Again, my name is Mike Olden. You can reach me at 423-618-3323 or shoot me an email, molden@lee-smith.com. I look forward to your comments as well as your questions. I want your business. Now go make it a great day.